and help you and help transform the tourism industry in Zamboanga del Norte. Hopefully, we can help transform the Zamboanga Peninsula tourism industry, the Mindanao, and the Philippines itself. So, I believe murag kabalo naman siguro tanan sige introduce na lang sa balik ba? Oh, sige, Gab. Gab.
Hi everyone, Maayong adlaw. So, my name is Renzo de los Santos. I am the Project Technical Assistant for Marketing, Communications, and Promotions. And with this project, ako pa yung makikita nyo usually when it comes to communications, promotions, and marketing, and adding this thing on a fun way. Ganun lang. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Hernandez Garcia, the Project Technical Assistant for IT and Management of JRMSU Sidlak TBI.
Hi! Maayong adlaw! So, I am Crystal Jane Ornicar, also known as Sage or CJ. So, I'm originally from the IPTBM project, and then the TBI adopted me as I'm part of their staffing. So, originally, I'm the PTA for IPTBM, and my work is all about IP protection and all about IP or intellectual property. But then, the TBI tapped me to be part of the staff. So, I'm also responsible sa communication, procurement, advertisement as well, and other things that I can contribute to make the work faster and more dali pa ang process. So again, so I'm from IPTBM and also sa TBI, and then again I'm CJ and fresh grad. I recently graduated sa Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering, Tambulisan Campus. So that's it. Good morning again.
Mayong sinla sa tanan. Ako si Daphne Capini, taga Bukidnon, nakaabot sa Dapitan, sa Siokon. Di na ako istorya mo travel experience kayo na buntag. Salamat kayo sa pag-welcome sa ako. Ang akong role is the junior of Sir Ron. I am the TBI Junior Manager of Sidlak TBI. So, happy to serve.
Kung wala Sir Ron, siya ba yung by the way, hi, I'm Carl, no? Carl Fred Junito Idora. I am one of the member of the TBI, Sidlak TBI. So mostly in charge of ideation. So we will kung meron na kayong idea, so about sa any startups na pwede nyo gawin para na makakatulong sa banner program natin, which is the tourism. No, so, yun, i-develop pa natin yun. At hindi lang naman ako, pati rin yung team natin. But mostly, no, so, just an additional kanina sa mga explain ni Sir Ebron, this is not just, pag-startup kasi ng business, so hindi lang talaga exclusive to for businesses, but as well, lahat po ng mga fields kasali dito, midwifery, cream, magkakapaman, basta bumuo lang kayo ng team, and you have the idea, then, yun na yun. No? Tutulungan namin kayo na ma-launch. Hindi lang basta ma-launch, we will make sure na magiging millionaire kayo. Yan. Baka tutulungan hindi pa kayo millionaire, tutulungan din na kami, di ba? Pero to be honest, nung nangalaman ko na kung ano talaga itong TBI, I said to Sir Ebron na, Sir, I will quit as a TBI member kasi mag-start up na lang ako. So, pero ayan yan. So, sige yun lang. Salamat.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you very much for participating today. So, my name is Maricon Denver Gahisan. Dalawa kaming Maricon. So, for today, I'm the first Maricon. In my part, I've been focusing on ICT and engineering. So, if you have new ideas, please join us and sama-sama tayong yumaman.
Thank you. Good morning. Muna ningon siya nga, she is the first Maricon. Usually, siya mag-una din ako ang second Maricon. Ako ang the first and second. Okay. Well, anyway, good morning. I am Maricon Rina Fabian. I am the resident entrepreneur member of TBIC Black. And ganina nabangon my ear ang ingon ni Sir Yab that we will be developing something here in Siocon. And one thing nanikamot kong propose of one research karon, and it is an ecosystem of the rural tourism. Perfect kayo ang Siocon of a rural tourism. Not only can sa atong mga products, but we can also have the scenery. Like for example, we can have a plantation of flowers, plantation of kamote, plantation of malunggay, plantation of everything. Nga maayo na katawag. Example sa Netherlands, di ba, we have flowers. In Siocon, o sa Netherlands, in Siocon we can have bahalang malunggay plantation. Kaysa yung 9 acres of kanang yuta diri, and we can build that. And one of the kanang na ang lamig nga gitanaw of the project is we will be building an ecosystem. Not only si destination, but including the habal-habal drivers that is in charge para that is, ladies and gentlemen and future entrepreneurs, the ecosystem that we will be building. Dili lang kay para sa usa, pati ang SME, pati ang tindahan na gamay, sari-sari store that. Kay tourists will buy para sa food, para sa tanan. So that will be an ecosystem. And not only that, ato pong itap dahil with the government agency and as well as the international one. So that tourists will be coming here kay para sa atong rural tourism development. So that would be all. Thank you. And once again, mabuhay millionaires and entrepreneurs.
Hello, good morning. Maayong buntag sa tanan. I am Harriet Adriatico, designated as the Innovation and Technology Support Officer, a faculty also of the College of Arts and Sciences in JRMSU Dipolog Campus. So, nami diri tanan as a team para sa ekonomiya gini nato, no? So, dili lang ta ma-empleyado. So, at this point in time na lang tatay mag-create nga business idea para tanan ma-milyonaryo ta, no? So, we'll have our startup. And of course, kanang ato mga business ideas, mga creation of our minds, nga makapadato nato, mga services, technology, and any product, no? Nga align po sa atong banner program. Kaya atong banner program is about tourism, no? To boost the tourism industry in Zamboanga Peninsula and of course, sa entire ASEAN region, no? Ang atong yung kuan, ang atong vision is for the entire ASEAN region, no? So, I'll be also in charge of the IP protection. So, para dili maawat sa uban, dili makopya sa uban, i-protect nato ang inyo ang mga technology product and all business ideas sa intellectual property of the Philippines. So, may buntag sa tanan.
Good morning once again, Corina Camaso, the KTTO Director for the entire German logistics system. With all the high and big aspirations that we dream to achieve, the office of the KTTO would really help you from the grassroots. So whatever concerns, however minor it is, expect na we shall be there to provide you all the supports that you need. Sir, again, akong i-reiterate, guaranteed ang amo ang assistance based sa inyo ang request ganina. Generally, ang katong sa IP protection, pero again, kanang ang problema nato is how do we start? Ang pagsugod man yun. So, just like what the USTP Shield has done to us, murag sila big brother for us. Ilagid ming gigay na kuan jud, giaga at the same time itong at the last kuan na gid sa evaluation, murag spoon feed na gid nila nga ang among kuan proposal per slide kitag sa tagsa gid nila o edit, kitag sa tagsa gid nila o kuan critic. So muna siya nga dako kayo improvement. So kana lagi pwede man tang maka-achieve sa ato ang aspiration, pero it would be in a faster way if naagid tayo sa paling nga mo assist dito sa ato. So with that, the team and also ang office of sa BPRDE as well as ang administration ni Dr. Nagit will be really willing no, to provide the necessary assistance. No, pero mga lang please try to inform us. No, kay although maka-provide me pero sa man good, dili man po may makahibalo niya you need this particular thing if dili po mo istorya sa inyo. So it's also a matter of informing us as to your needs. No, so again, expect to be called or invited for trainings in the coming months. No, if possible, maka-provide po that FGD, na focus group discussion, na mong panikamutan with the accessibility sa road, na manikamot ni nga makabalik na ginibiri. This won't be the one-time activity that we're going to have. No much as we would invite you to come to the main campus, pero manikamot po ni nga mo ari ginibiri sa inyo. Kaya again, mas daghan man ang ma-involve if kami ang mo ari kumpara if kamo ang patuon sa main campus.
So, katulang, di na ko nagkailan ng istorya mi. So, actually, we are happy lang, because our administration is very supportive. Ma'am Rio is very supportive sa TBI to the point na na-posture me. Oo. So, pasa-pasa na lang, i-pressure po mo. Charis. Bitaw, what we wanted lang is, the university has been pila na ka-years na Nimo University for the past 16 years, 17 years. And we wanted to create an impact, not only sa locality. I mean, okay na magod ng madumog na prestige sa university, but the best way to really help is when we see that our economy is growing, with the locality, the people we are serving are improving in terms of their way of living. And we can do that through startups, because startups can help land a job, can hire people. So, mas maayo nga, ang atong natin ma-develop na startups, dili, homegrown na startup, magikan sa inyo, magikan sa Zamboanga de Norte, magikan sa university. So that we can really be proud that we are a university, at the same time, we are a Philippine, bringing the nation and the tourism industry to a brighter future. So thank you so much po. This is the team, and daghang salamat yun sa pag-call sa mo. Welcome sa mo.
Alright, thank you so much. May we request for the team to stay because we will be actually awarding the campus director of the Shaman Campus.